Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you to make 3 different styles of flavored popcorn at home. You can make this popcorn in very simple and easy way. So firstly I am making simple turmeric style popcorn and then tomato puree popcorn. So it is tomato flavored. So it has a great taste of tomato. And here these are masala popcorn. So let's start making it. And before starting this video, please guys get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. And please download my app Damini's Kitchen also to access my channel directly to that app. So let's start making this flavored popcorn. Firstly I am making turmeric style popcorn. So firstly you need to take cooking oil. I am taking here mustard oil. You can take any other cooking oil or you can take butter also. So I have added oil. This is very basic style of making these popcorn. These popcorns are available in market. So firstly I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder in this. And then I am adding my popcorns into this. So these maize seeds will start popping up. So you need to cook it on higher flame until the sound appears on it. So these popcorns will look very tasty and they are easy to cook. It is the simplest way to cook popcorn. Wait until the oil properly heat the popcorns. Now the popcorn starts cooking. Now cover it with the help of a cover. Properly cover it. You can make this popcorn in pressure cooker also. I am making it in kadhai so that you can properly see this. Now you can hear the sound of popcorns. They are cooking and be careful. They should not be overheated. Carefully cook it. They should not be burnt. Now when the sound of popcorns is not appearing, then I am switching off the flame and mixing it, and then see the popcorns get cooked properly. Now you can see that popcorns get cooked properly. So our first type of flavored popcorns are ready, that is turmeric popcorns. So I am serving it in a bowl. This is my first style of popcorn. Let's start making the second style of popcorn. So now I am making tomato style of popcorn, tomato flavored. So firstly I am taking 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. When the butter gets melt, now I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, or I am taking here tomato sauce. Mix it, cook it for just 1 minute. And now add popcorns into it. Mix it well. Let the color of this tomato puree will get appear in this popcorn. Put it on lower flame. And please heat these popcorns when they are made. So because they will get soft if you rest it for some time. So these get cooked. Again I am also placing it in a plate. So these tomato popcorn, tomato flavored popcorn are also get ready. Now you can see the tomato popcorns are also get ready.